Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video we have the Nike and PATTA collaboration, the Air Max 1. I've just got them, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys today. And let me tell you how happy I am that I have got these, because these are such a stunning pair of shoes. I'm absolutely in love with them. So they came out in the Monarch colour, which is like the orange colour, and a blue. And today we have the Noise Aqua, which is this amazing blue. So let's start with the unboxing. First of all, we have this amazing box. Obviously we've got a mixture of Nike logos and PATTA logos and some metallic. I actually really love this box. I think it's so nice, and then it says Team PATTA there as well. And then when we open it, we have the PATTA tissue paper, which is actually a fist, and it basically stands for like unity, love for all, which is a really nice touch as well. Absolutely love that. That is kind of different tissue paper and not just normal Nike tissue paper. And so here are the beautiful shoes. Honestly, I was just so surprised how much I absolutely love them. From the pictures, they did look nice, but I feel like when you have them in hand, guys, they just ooze beautifulness, really. So going into the details of the shoe, obviously you've got your standard Air Max 1 silhouette. However, there are some additions, obviously, as it is a PATTA collaboration. First thing I instantly notice is obviously the wavy mudguard. This is in the suede and this is in the aqua, the blue aqua. And the suede absolutely feels amazing, gives me premium vibes. And then on the toe box as well, you've got this silver mesh. Now what I love about this is I've got some Nike shoes previously that have mesh, but this feels like a really good premium kind of mesh. Also goes round to the side at the back as well. We also do have this woven mini swoosh on the side. So this is the left shoe, so it's on the outer side of each shoe, as you can see. Absolutely love that detail as well. You've got your quarter panels in this soft leather, again a premium vibe. Moving around to the back of the shoe, you have your normal Nike Air logo as well, and again this is in like the teal kind of blue. The laces are standard laces. These come in this kind of like light grey bluey-ish tone, which matches the quarter panels on the side of the shoe. They do also come with another pair of laces. I literally just opened them and made a mess of them. These are yellow creamy, which match the midsole, which we'll talk about in a minute. I think I might do a video on relacing them because I am interested. I'm always interested to put other laces on the shoes, but yeah, we'll sort that out another day. The tongue is actually one of my favorite parts of the shoe. Again, this is in that yellowy kind of creamy color to match the midsole, and there we have a PATTA Air Max 1 logo. Over the top, it's kind of got this almost like suede-y feel to it. Inside the shoe as well, it feels absolutely amazing. It's so soft. We've got this like plush cotton. The insole actually does have the PATTA logo. So the insole is this yellowy creamy midsole again. And then inside we do have the PATTA logo, and it also does have a Nike swoosh at the top, if you can see there. Now, as I said, we have this yellow creamy midsole. Kind of just looks like a kind of off-white midsole. Some people I think preferred it if it was clean white. I absolutely actually love that it is this yellow midsole. I feel like clean white would have just made, I don't know, the yellow just goes with the tones. I don't even know how else to say it. Because there is no white on this shoe, I feel like there is no need for a white midsole. Obviously we've got the famous Air unit as well. Moving on to the sole. The sole is actually quite different, not what I expected, but again, the colours just go. Also within the box came a bracelet. I thought the bracelet only comes when you buy them directly from PATTA, but apparently not. So this is the PATTA bracelet, so it comes in this little bag. The bracelet itself, I thought it would be a bit better quality, but I'm not complaining because I didn't think I was even going to get the bracelet. So the bracelet has the PATTA logo on it, it has a flag, and it also has the Nike swoosh as well. I mean, it says bracelet, but it is way too big for my hands, and I have seen them being put on shoes like this. I'm not sure, I think I might give it a try to put on the shoe, but I feel like I'm not really too fast. I'm gonna quickly put it around the laces so I can show you guys what it would look like if you do want to put it around the laces. So here it is around the side of the shoe. I'm not sure, as I said, if I'm gonna keep this actually on the shoe. I feel like it might be a little bit annoying. Actually, I do quite like it. yeah, I might keep that actually on the shoe. So this shoe came out quite a while ago on PATTA. It came out at the beginning of October. It released on Sneakers about a month ago from now. I went for it the first time around and I didn't get it. I kind of looked at resale prices and I wasn't really sure about paying for resale, but recently I entered a raffle and I won it, and now I have it in hand. I can confirm if I had felt this in the first place, then I definitely would have paid resale for it. Luckily I didn't, because I did manage to pick it up, but I would recommend to anyone, if they've like exhausted their raffles or whatnot, then I would definitely 100% recommend paying resale for this. This has got to be one of my favorite shoes that I have picked up this year. It is just such a stunning shoe, and comfortability wise, the Air Max 1 is just, the Air Max 1 comfortability is off the roof. In terms of sizing, it fits true to size. I'm a size 7 and I got these in a size 7 and they fit absolutely perfect. These did come out £145 and about 160 US dollars. Resale on StockX, when I kind of looked around my size, was about 220, so that is quite a bit of a resale price. But as I said, in my opinion, I honestly think they're worth it. Like, if you haven't bought any resale shoes this year, I feel like this could be the one to just make an exception for, because this is honestly up there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. As I said before, I think I am going to do a relacing video so you guys can see what they actually look like with other laces. So make sure you're subscribed to stay updated with all my latest YouTube videos and to catch that video, and I'll see you guys next time.